Most gardening advice assumes you have unlimited time. That's the real problem. Because if you have a life like mine, a family, a full-time day job, kids' activities, and a 100-year-old house that always needs something, there isn't a lot of time left to stand in the garden and pull weeds. A lot of gardening advice isn't wrong, it just doesn't take real life into consideration. Hey, I get it, you're busy, and what you actually need is a system designed to reduce friction, something that still works when life goes sideways, a system that lets you grow healthy food right where you are, and makes it easy to share the experience with friends and family. Good systems assume you'll miss watering days. They buffer mistakes, they work with real life instead of fighting it, and that's how gardening becomes sustainable. That's why Meg focuses on systems, not more effort and not more tips. We call it growing by the numbers. Follow the system and the garden takes care of itself. If gardening has ever felt harder than it should, you're in the right place. This summer, we're quietly looking for a group of test growers in USDA hardness zones 3 through 5. You'd be growing using our Meg system. Remote, real gardeners, real solutions. Not perfect gardens, but honest ones. If you would like to grow with us this season, follow along with us. And I'll share next steps when we're ready. Let's grow together.